Hi everyone, welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be solving 5 questions which are related to linear equation in two variables. So let me solve this one. I'll solve this one by two methods. So whichever you'll feel easy, follow that one. Here first let me write down the linear equations. So 3x plus 2y equal to 25 and 2x plus 3y equal to 15. Okay, if I want to eliminate either x value or y variable, okay, I need to have same coefficient with a different sign. So for this reason, what I'll do is, for example, if I want to eliminate x, this one I'll multiply with the 2. First equation I'll multiply with 2 and second equation I'll multiply with 3. So if I solve this one, what I'll get here? 6x plus 2 to the 4y equal to 2 into 25 50 and 3 to the 6 plus 3 3 is a 9 y equal to 45. 3 into 15 45 you will get it. Okay, so if I add this one, okay, I won't be able to eliminate. So what I'll do is one of the equation I'll multiply with this. So one of the equation I'll multiply with minus. If I multiply with minus, here already it was plus, right? So minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, and minus into plus minus. We have to focus on new signs only. So 6x minus 6. Now add these two equations. 6x minus 6x. 6x minus 6x. Get cancel. 4y minus 9y minus 5y equal to 50 minus 45 5 and y equal to what you get here 5 by minus 5 equal to 5 ones are 5 ones are minus 1 will get. Now substitute this y in any of this equation. So which one is easier one? Okay, 2x plus 3 into minus 1 equal to 15. 2x minus 3 equal to 15. 2x, if I take this minus 3 to that side of this equation, it becomes what? 15 plus 3. So 2x equal to 18. X equal to 18 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So my x value is what? 9. Now I know what they asked here. X minus 5 they asked. X. What is my x value? 9 minus. What is my y value? Minus 1. So 9 minus into minus plus. So answer is what? 10. So answer is what? Plus 10. C is the option. Another method, okay, whenever they'll ask you like x plus y or x minus y, in this case, instead of doing this one, because it is for 1 mark or 2 marks, right? So no need to spend a lot of time for this one. So what we'll do is, look at here now. 3x plus 2y equal to 25 and 2x plus 3y, okay, equal to 15. What I'll do is one of the equation, okay, this bottom equation I'll multiply with minus sign. Plus into minus minus. I'll multiply this whole equation with minus sign. So this also becomes minus. Here it is plus is there, right? So if I multiply with minus, I'll get minus here. So 2x, what? 3x minus 2x, 1x or x, 2y minus 3y minus y equal to 25 minus 15, 10. So in one step only, we can answer this one instead of doing elimination. So when you'll get these ideas, when you practice more, you'll get ideas. Okay. Otherwise, like traditional method, you will follow it. Either elimination or substitution, and it will take lot of time. Is this clear? Next, if the pair of equation 3x minus y plus 8 equal to 0, 6x minus ry plus 16 equal to 0 represent what? Coincident lines. incident lines. Whenever you see this one, okay, you have to remember what condition. What is a condition for coincident line? Okay, A1 by A2 equal to, what is A1 and A2? A1 is the coefficient of X and A2 is the coefficient of X. These are two lines, right? I think you remember this one, what I'm saying. B1 by B2 and equal to what? C1 by C2. This is the condition for what? Coincident line. Diagrammatically, if we see here, if this is my one line, P, Q is a, oh, okay. Another line, okay, exactly overlapping with this one. Can you see this one? If they ask you, okay, what is the solution for coincident line? What, like infinite solution or many solution, you can say. See, at every point it is intersecting with the other line. So many solution or infinite solution, you can say. Many solution or infinite solution. Okay, they are not asking us to say what any solution or not. They are asking us to find out what R value they are asking. So what I have to do, I have to use this condition. What I'll do here, so let me write down what is my A1 value from that first line equation. You see here, this is my first line and this is my second line. Okay, so what is my A value from? Okay, A1 value equal to 3 and B1 value equal to -1, C1 value equal to 8, A2 value equal to 6, B2 value equal to -R, and C2 value equal to what? 16. Okay, if I substitute here in this condition, 3 by 6 equal to -1 by -R equal to 8 by 16. If you simplify this one, 3 ones are 3 twos are 8 ones are 8 twos are. So 1 by 2 equal to, see, this minus and minus also gets cancelled. So what you got here? 1 by 2 equal to 1 by R equal to 1 by 2. So use this equation. Either you can use this one or you can use this one. So I'll use the first one. So what I got here? 1 by 2 equal to 1 by R. Cross multiply this one. So what I'll get here? 1 into R into 1 into 2. 1 into R, 1 into 2, 2. So what is my value for R? R equal to positive 2. So option D is the right answer. Is this clear? You have to remember the conditions. If it is intersecting lines, or if it is a parallel line, or if it is a constant line, what are the conditions you have to remember? Next. Here, whenever you will get, okay, whenever you get a bigger number as a coefficient of x and y, okay, here like, okay, 217, okay, 131 they gave. There is a possibility of giving 3-digit, 4-digit numbers, or like in thousands of them. So in such cases, okay, instead of doing elimination or substitution, what you need to do is first add these two equations. Okay, first add the, okay, add these two equations. Second, first what you have to do, add these two equations. Second, subtract these equations. Okay, let us see. You'll understand what I'm going to do. 217x plus 131y equal to 913. 131x plus 217 equal to, okay, 827. So when you have to follow this adding and subtracting, when, see here, x square coefficient of one equation and y square y coefficient of another. Is this clear? When you see these values, these coefficient values are interchanging, in that case you follow this one. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm adding here. 7 plus 1 here, 8 I'll get, 4 I'll get, 3 I'll get, plus same thing. Okay, 8 I'll get, 4 I'll get, 3 I'll get y. 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry forward, 2, 3, 4, and here it is what? 17. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 19. So if you, one thing, if you divide this whole equation with the 348, what will you get here? If I divide, okay, this whole equation, this whole equation with the 348, what I'll get here? 348 by 348x and 348 by 348y, and here 1740 divided by 348. So what will you get here? So let us check here. 348 into 5 if I do, what I'll get here? 40 and 20, 24, 5 3 15, 16, 17. That means what? 1 za 5 za. So x plus y equal to 5. So take this one as your equation 3. Next what I told to subtract here. 217 plus 131y equal to 913. 131 plus 217 equal to 827. What I told to subtract this one. So to subtract this one, what we'll do? We'll multiply, okay, one of the equation with minus sign. Now 217 minus 130. Okay, here x, here it is also x. So what I'll get here? 217 minus 131. 6 I'll get here. From 21, if I subtract 13, what I'll get? 7, 8. 86 I'll get. Okay, 86 x I'll get here. Plus 131 pi minus 217 minus 86 y you will get here. Next, 913 minus 827. What I'll get here? Carry forward. Now it is 13, right? 13 minus 7, 6. Now see, when you are carrying forward here, it is 0, right? So 90 minus 82. 90 minus 82, what will you get here? 86. So what did you get here? 86 minus 86y equal to. So one thing if you do is divide this whole equation with 86. So what will you get here? X minus y equal to 1. Take this one as equation 4. Now what you do is you solve this one. You solve equation 3 and equation 4. So x plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. Okay, add these two equations. 2x plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled, and 6 x equal to what do we get? 3. Okay, understood, right? 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 by 2, 3. So substitute x value in any of these two equations. So 3 plus 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 3, sorry, 5 minus 3, y equal to what? 2. Okay, here they are asking what? X value and y value. X value is what? 3 and y value is what? 2. So whenever you see equations whose coefficient of interchanging, in that case, first what you'll do, you'll add these two equations and then you will subtract two, okay, these two equations. The new equations which you got, right, you have to solve this. Okay. Is the pair of linear equation, are consistent or not? First of all, what is consistent? Okay, when we'll say the lines are consistent, when these lines has solutions. Okay, there exists a solution for those pair of lines, then only we'll say it is consistent. Okay, otherwise if no solution, inconsistent. Okay, no solution, okay, inconsistent, solution consistent, solution consistent. If you remember, for which lines will get a inconsistent? For parallel lines, because they won't intersect at any rate. For which for which lines we will get a consistent? See, intersecting lines, because one unique solution is there, and coincident line where infinite solution is there. In both cases we are getting solutions, right? So these two equations have consistent solution, and for parallel line we won't. Okay, so let us, what is saying is a pair of linear equation are inconsistent or consistent. So first thing, let me check. So what I'll do is first write down, okay, 3x minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0, standard form. 6x minus 10y minus 13 equal to 0. From this one, I can write it as what? A1 value equal to 3, A1 value equal to 3, B1 value equal to minus 5, and C1 value equal to minus 7. A2 value equal to 6, B2 value equal to minus 10, C2 value equal to what? Minus 13. So let me check first equation, whether these are intersecting lines or not. A1 by A2 not equal to B1, B2 or not. Okay, let us see. If I do A1 first, okay, A1 by A2, what I'll get here? 3 by 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are. B1 by B2, B1 by B2, what I'll get here? Minus 5 by minus 10. Okay, what I'll get here? 1 by 2. C1 by C2. Okay, 7 by 13. Actually, minus 7 by minus 13, right? So minus minus you'll get. So 7 by 13. If you observe this one, A1 by A2 is equal. Here, if it is not equal, then it is intersecting line. Here in our case, what? A1 by A2 equal. Again, if it is equal to C1 by C2, then it is coincident line. And if it is not equal, it is parallel. If you see here, okay, B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, because A1 by A2 value is what? 1 by 2, B1 by B2 value is what? 1 by 2, and C1 by C2 value is what? 7 by 13, which is not equal to. So which type of lines are these? Parallel lines. Okay. So when, okay, if they are parallel lines, what? No solution. If it is no solution, these lines are what? Inconsistent. Okay, justify your answer. Okay, is this clear? So we have used the conditions to show that these are inconsistent lines. Next, in a rectangle, first of all, write down rectangle, draw this rectangle A, B, C, D. When you are labeling, label it in order. Okay, from wherever you want to take A, you can take it, but label it in order. One thing what we know in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So in rectangle, what we know here, AB length equal to DC length and AD length equal to BC length. An angle should be perpendicular. That is not required as of now. So linear equation in two variables can be given in this format also. Instead of directly giving to solve it, they'll give you this method. So what they said, AB value 2x minus y equal to what? A DC. What is our DC? Okay, DC or CD? Okay, 2. We got one equation. Next, AD value or DA value. DA value is what? X plus 3y equal to BC. So this is my equation 2. Now what I have to do is I can use any of the, either I can use elimination method or substitution method. Here I'll use elimination method only, and I want to eliminate what? X. So first equation I'll multiply with 3. So what I'll get here? 3 into 2, 6x minus 3y equal to 6. Second equation, 3y equal to 15. If I add this two, what I'll get here? 7x minus 3x plus minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. 15 plus 6, 21. X equal to 21 by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So x value is what? 3. Now I want a y value. So 2 into 3 minus y equal to 2. What will get here? 6 equal to 2 minus y if I take that side plus y. If I send this 2 to this side, what happens here? Y equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So find the value of x and y they asked. What is my x value? 3. What is my value? 4. Is this clear? Okay, we are done with these 5 questions. I hope you understood. And if you are having any problem in understanding this one, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.